With this, you can customize and protect your key fob. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is an Audi key. It's the same as a lot of V-dubs. It's kind of a common key that you'll see. I picked this up. It's a premium fashion accessory, not just a fashion accessory, but it's just a cover that we can slip over our key fob here and give it a little style, protect it. Actually, it kind of dampens sound too. So if you have this thing jiggling in your pocket or in your purse or man purse or European carry-all, it does help kind of not only protect it, but dampen the sound in case it's rattling against something else like change or other keys, those types of things. This one is in a pink color, as you can see, pink and black. I think if you get it in the different colors, this front face here is always like black, and then these are kind of those colors that you order here. So this is I don't know, it's kind of a rose gold pink. I mean, it's definitely pink, but very metallic. And while it looks hard, it's quite soft. But this TPU material is maybe a millimeter, maybe 2 thick, so it adds a little bit of thickness, but it holds its shape really nicely. Then right here, this is the cover, or it's a little like hockey stick area that would cover this in case you want to cover up the key. Now, the reason that they include this is that even though this is a switchblade key, they use these as keyless remotes. So in my Audi A3, you actually don't need to deploy the key here. So I'm just going to show you. You want to push it in so that you get the little loop through there. Push it in all the way. That's about as hard as it is. You know, it doesn't get much easier than that. And it looks good. Adds a little bit of, like I said, thickness to it. But I can still hit the deployment here for the lock. We still have the icons. Lock, unlock, trunk right there. And I can actually take this now too, because I don't need to deploy that key, and put this in here. It's got just a little bit of a lower lip here, so it should kind of slide in here. Now this is kind of cool because a lot of the keyless remotes look just like fobs. They don't look like there are keys in them, and so this is a nice way to hide the key and make it look a little bit more like a modern remote, even though it is a modern remote, but it's just kind of built on the chassis of a legacy remote, which is a little bit lower tech. So pretty good fit there, and as you can see, it just kind of stretches a little bit, but I think that's probably good enough that it's not going to come out. That's a pretty good fit, man. That looks pretty good. And now this looks just like a keyless remote. So hey, if you want to pick this up, it's only a few bucks for these covers, and I think they dress them up pretty nice. And especially if you have a Volkswagen or an Audi, this key cover is going to work exactly like I'm showing you here. Pretty cool. Hey, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.